Assalamu alaikum. Today, Muslims in Canada and around the world will mark the end of the Hajj and celebrate Eid Ul Adha. This holiday is a time for loved ones to come together to pray, share a meal, and celebrate life's blessings. And it's a chance to reflect on lessons of sacrifice and values like service, compassion, and generosity. Muslim Canadians show us the best of those values all year round, whether it's supporting a local charity or being there for neighbours in need. So today, let's celebrate Canada's Muslim communities and the many contributions they make to shape our country for the better. On behalf of our family, Sophie and I wish all those celebrating a wonderful Eid Al Adha. Eid Mubarak. May peace and blessings be upon you.